All right.
Let me see things
What-
8 years ago.
What we have here is an 81 CB650, my Uncle Steve's bike that he's had since 1983. It's been parked for quite a while, since what, 07-ish? So, quite a long time, and we've been through a lot of stuff on it just to test out things, and it seems to get spark and compression, and we got our own fuel because the tank is in rough shape, but we're gonna fire it up for the first time. And so you want to goose your stuff, get a little juice in her.
All right, are we ready?
Here we go.
Fire in the hole.
Oh, ooh, here she comes. Here she goes. Gotta leave. Ready? Let it sit. Easy. Easy, easy.
Choke off a little bit.
Go ahead. Oh my goodness. Goodness, Steve.
Look at that.
Unbelievable. A little leak in the fuel. Yeah, we got some dribbles coming out there, so.
You tell where.
Yeah, it's pretty significant right in there. So.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it off so we can find out where the fuel is. That's better, my God.
Little dribble going on, that's alright. We can solve that.
It looks like it's coming out of the second carburetor.
Yep. Turn signal.
Oh, of course.
Headlight, look at that. Try your brake pedal. That will
Okay.
burn out here. It's
No,
on.
sir.
It's on.
I'm ready.
It's on.
Everything's working.
Oh my God.
Alright, so let's turn it off, find out where the fuel's coming from.
Oh my word. That sounds good. Yeah, it's coming out right in the middle.
So that means that means the gasket on that.
This is like a pump, little throttle pump right in the center.
Yeah.
The gasket may be just rotted.
Yep.
Yes.
So that means that all 4 cups need to come off and replace gasket.
Maybe, I mean, if this, it's right in the center.
How do you get the
See,
cups off?
Like, see this guy right in the middle here,
Yep.
where my finger is?
Yep.
That's like a little pump mechanism, and it's got a gasket around it that could be just done. And we'll need like one of those 90-degree, or a tiny Phillips head. Mine might work in here. All right, go for it. Ready? Hit it. Yeah, it's coming out right now.
And then it starts.
So that means that pump is leaking. See right in the center?
Yep.
Yeah. As soon as it's running, so that means there's a diaphragm that's destroyed in there.
Okay.
Okay, whatever. She's running like a champ though, so you know.
Yeah, it's
We can deal with the rest of it.
Is this yours or is this?